guys, welcome back to Food and Travel with Festive Forever. I am Tejasvi and today we are in Malad. आज का व्लॉग बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज वी आर गोना विजिट अ बारबेक्यू रेस्टोरेंट. आई एम गोना एंजॉय माई डिलाइटफुल बुफे ट्रीट एट सिगरी ग्लोबल ग्रिल. What attracted me towards this restaurant was their concept. इनका जो concept है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting है. Where you get a personalized grill at your table. है ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा interesting? Let's go. As I mentioned earlier, guys, look at this. We have a personalized grill. How beautiful this thing is looking. Look at their setup. How beautifully they have curated their setup. Everything is piping hot. I'm going to tell you which is what. So this is prawns tikka. This is chicken tikka. This is fish tikka and this is malai chicken tikka. So many starters. Oh my god, I'm already loving this place and you get these piping hot dishes in your plate. Oh my god, मैं तो बहुत ही खुश हूँ देख के मेरा दिल भर गया. Now let's go ahead and drop everything into my plate. I'm just gonna take everything one by one, like one piece at a time. Okay, little bit of struggle. थोड़ा स्ट्रगल तो करना पड़ रहा है बट आई थिंक इट्स वर्थ इट. चिकन टिक्का भी ले लेते हैं. ओके गाइज, मैंने यहाँ पर नॉन-वेज बुफे लिया है. प्राइसेस एंड एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल यू एट द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो, सो वॉच दिस व्लॉग टिल द एंड. वी हैव योर वेज डिमसम एंड देन ऑल टाइप ऑफ टिक्काज, चिकन डिमसम एंड सम फ्राइड sweet corn and also some cheese finger. Everything looks absolutely delicious. I'm quite excited to enjoy my buffet. So let's go ahead and first try our chicken tikka. Wow. We are not going to get into too much of details but everything is going to be really short because हमारे पास इतने सारे options हैं. It won't be possible to describe everything at length. So first thing I'm going to tell you is that कि ये chicken tikka बहुत ही अच्छे से पकाया है. The chicken is nice and it's little spicy. So it's a regular chicken tikka which is tasting absolutely good. So I'm kind of happy with it. And I must say कि मुझे prawns बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इट्स सुपर स्पाइसी एंड एक्चुअली बहुत ही ज़्यादा मसाले का टेस्ट आ रहा है. से इट्स काइंड ऑफ एक्सट्रीमली स्पाइसी बट मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया. मतलब इतना स्पाइसी है कि मेरा एक्चुअली मुंह जल रहा है. इनफैक्ट आई कैन टेस्ट दैट चिली पाउडर. टू स्पाइसी एंड लॉट्स ऑफ चिली पाउडर बट बहुत ही बढ़िया टेस्ट है. नाउ लेट्स टेस्ट दिस चिकन. My staple word is wow. मतलब if you guys know that I'm saying wow, मतलब वो dish तो fab होने वाली है. Oh my god. ये actually it's tasting more like chicken tikka but without masala. Everything in this plate is quite fabulous. Now let's try this delicious fish tikka. ओके, दिस वॉजंट दैट ग्रेट. इसमें ऐसा कोरिएंडर का बहुत ही ज़्यादा एविडेंट टेस्ट है. दैट कोरिएंडर टेस्ट इज़ सो मच दैट इट्स क्वाइट डोमिनेटिंग एंड समवेयर spoiling the taste of this fish tikka. Now let's try our cheese finger. lots of cheese and then corn, little bit of corn, not much, थोड़ा सा ही corn है, and then I think for coating they have used maida. So this is a non-spicy cheesy dish. Wow. Now let's try these veg dim sum. So actually in dim sum mostly I prefer veg, but today I have also taken the non-veg one. मुझे वेज डिम सम या फिर वेज मोमोज बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आते हैं, बट आज मैंने यू नो टुडे आई हैव ऑल्सो ऑप्टेड फॉर चिकन डिम सम. सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोना ट्राई माई फेवरेट वेज डिम सम. सो लेट्स गो अहेड. वाओ, क्या डिम सम है. Coating of the dim sum sheets are very thin and exactly how it should be prepared. Mostly जो dim sum की sheets होती है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतली होनी चाहिए, then only it qualifies as the best dim sum. So I think they have justified that dish. The dish is absolutely good and I loved it. It's tasting amazing, and out of all the starters that I had over here, I'm gonna say that the dim sums were the best. Okay, now I still have to try these two things. So here I'm gonna try my chicken dim sum, and the sheet is so thin, and they have used chicken keema, which is very natural. You cannot exactly use chicken pieces, right? So this chicken keema is so amazing. How beautiful it's looking. I am already drooling over it. Let's go ahead and grab a bite. It's good. It's good. I'm not saying it's not good, but I would 100% prefer veg dim sum over non-veg dim sum. So I think I'm gonna vote for veg dim sums and not for non-veg dim sums. This is just fried and salty. Okay. So next thing that we have over here are these fish fingers. You know what? Fish finger मेरा favorite है. I love having fish finger. Amazing. Bland, coating of maida, crispy from outside and extremely soft from inside. Wow. So hot. मज़ा आ गया. I think I'm gonna have a couple of so many options to choose from. I was quite confused कि मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था what should I eat, what I shouldn't eat, but I have taken couple of things in my plate. Let's get a closer look to understand what all things I have in my plate. So here I have mac and cheese, rice with palak paneer. Okay, paneer is not there, it's just palak. Hakka noodles with Manchurian sauce and some kind of pulao, and this is pepper chicken. So we are just gonna go ahead and first try palak with some rice. Nice. So this palak paneer was our simple palak paneer जैसा हम घर पे बनाते हैं, and it had this green chili taste जिसका बहुत ही बढ़िया taste आ रहा है. Now let's go ahead and try these Hakka noodles with our Manchurian sauce. Wow. These noodles are rice noodles. You know those Singapore rice noodles which are quite thin. Then there are some vegetables like mushrooms, and I can see some spring onion and then some flour. So all these vegetables are there. It's tasting quite nice. I liked it. Quite salty though, because every time I'm having another bite, the salt is kinda increasing, but बट इट्स नॉट टेस्टिंग बैड, मतलब ऐसा एकदम सॉल्टी नहीं लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट आ रहा है. आई लाइक हाउ दीज नूडल्स आर लाइक दिस थिन राइस नूडल्स, दे आर काइंड ऑफ माई फेवरेट. Now let's try this pulao. I'm so stuffed right now. इतना खाया गाइस, बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया. This pulao is like a normal vegetable pulao but in yellow. It's non-spicy and ज़्यादा फ्लेवरफुल नहीं है. Like basic जो पुलाव होता है वैसा पुलाव का टेस्ट आ रहा है. Now let's go ahead and try our mac and cheese. This is also okay. So this thing which is called baked fish, I'm gonna consume it for the first time. I never tried it earlier. I think every time I go somewhere I find something that I have never tried. So this thing I have never tried earlier. I'm gonna try this for the first time. It's red in color. I don't know which fish they have used, but it's cheesy and red. Wow. I think they have used Rawas fish and it's quite saucy and also little bit cheesy, and it has a very good amount of sour taste. It's very sour, you know, and I'm enjoying the sourness that it contains. मतलब ऐसा sourness है जो I'll prefer. And also here we have some olives. Fish and olives. Oh my god, fab. Now let's try this pepper chicken. When I saw this, I really didn't get tempted towards it because I felt the chicken pieces were really not my type. So I'm just gonna have this small piece from here. I have actually taken, you know, a very little amount of everything because there are so many choices. Oh my god. So here I'm trying some butter chicken with some tandoori roti. So in this butter chicken, the chicken pieces are quite loose. These are not shredded chicken. Mostly butter chicken में shredded chicken होता है, but in this that's not the case. They have added like the big pieces of butter chicken, and I'm quite enjoying this delightful treat. Let's try this biryani. This is mutton biryani. This biryani has a great amount of dry spices. मतलब जो green masala या फिर other spices होते हैं like red chili powder, turmeric, all those spices are less. But if you'll ask me, that the dry spices like cinnamon stick, cardamom, all these things are quite dominating in this biryani. But the biryani is tasting fabulous, guys. And if you're coming here, you have to try this delicious and tasty mutton biryani. Yes, look at my plate, guys. It's time for dessert. It's looking so tempting. So I'm going to tell you one by one. So the first thing that we have over here is this chocolate brownie. Such a small, cute little piece of chocolate brownie. I'm just going to dip into this chocolate. After dipping it in this chocolate thing, wow. Wow. It's so soft. What is this? This is actually a mango pastry, but I'm not a mango person, so this is sabudana kheer. मतलब अपनी जैसी normal खीर होती है. It's tasting somewhere like that, sweet, and then sabudana. So it's tasting nice. Now let's go ahead and try our kulfi. Hands down, kulfi is my favorite Indian dessert. We can easily have 4 of these, right? Wow. Milky, malai, sweet. Amazing. This kulfi is just perfect. I'm gonna finish it entirely. There were actually 3 types of ice cream, but here I have taken 2 types of ice cream. One is butterscotch ice cream and the other one is strawberry ice cream. So first I'm going to try butterscotch because I like butterscotch more than strawberry. I think with butterscotch ice cream ऐसा बहुत बार होता है that you just feel like continuously having a bite after bite. Now let's try strawberry ice cream. It has this milky consistency. Mostly if you are ever consuming ice cream, that ice cream has to have a good amount of milk and not icy. So I feel that their quality of ice cream is really good. I don't know if this is house made or it's from the outside, but either way the quality is really nice. Rating time on my festive meter. If you'll ask me about this place, I'm gonna say that this place is more suitable for having family lunch or dinner. So if you'll ask me, in starters I really enjoyed couple of things. One of them was fish finger and then all the tikkas, and in mains I'll say that baked fish was good and then noodles were good. In fact even Indian food, if you're gonna have Indian food, then even that is very nice and tasty. So a lot of things are quite tasty over here. Also desserts are impeccable. I think out of everything I enjoyed starters and desserts more. In fact, I really liked their kulfi. That was quite delicious and tasty. So I think this place has really wide range or variety of food. So you'll get Indian, you'll get Italian, you'll get Chinese. So all of these things are there, and number of starters. It's not like they have couple of starters, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think they have at least 10 starters, and in mains they have so many options, and even in desserts I think they had almost 9 to 10 options, and you would keep on eating and it's like never ending. I guess I'm gonna rate this place 9.5 out of 10 on my festive meter. So this rating is actually based on food, ambience, not on presentation. Even the pricing wise, the place is quite good. Non-veg buffet would cost you around 790 plus taxes, and veg buffet would cost you around 600 to 650 plus taxes. So I felt that the pricing wise the place is also very nice. There's a wide range of food. Guys, that's all for today. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in cooking, then you can watch my other channel called Festive Forever. I'll leave the link of that channel in I button as well as in end screen and in description box. Don't forget to subscribe to that channel as well. So guys, I think we are done over here. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.